In the summer of 2022, a bombshell dropped in the world of artificial intelligence. China's Baidu announced its partnership with Anthropic, a US-based AI research organization founded by Dario Amodei and Luangrath. This collaboration sent shockwaves through the tech community, sparking questions about the implications of this secret alliance. Just 1 year prior, in 2021, Anthropic had been founded on a mission to create more transparent and explainable AI systems, raising concerns about the potential risks associated with advanced machine learning. Yet, despite its focus on transparency, Anthropic seemed to be secretly collaborating with China's Baidu, raising eyebrows among experts and investors alike. What makes this partnership even more remarkable is that Baidu, one of China's largest tech companies, has been at the forefront of AI development in Asia for years. Its AlphaGo system, which defeated a human world champion in Go in 2016, was a major breakthrough in deep learning technology. This achievement cemented Baidu's position as a leader in the global AI landscape. However, the partnership between Baidu and Anthropic has been met with skepticism by some experts. In an interview with Bloomberg, Andrew Ng, co-founder of Coursera and former Google AI chief, expressed concerns about the implications of this collaboration. China's government has been very aggressive in acquiring AI talent and technology, he stated. The partnership between Baidu and Anthropic is not just a matter of two companies collaborating, it's also deeply connected to China's broader AI ambitions. In 2021, Chinese President Xi Jinping outlined his vision for the country's future in AI development. By 2030, we aim to become a global leader in artificial intelligence research and applications. This ambitious goal is reflected in the recent creation of the Shanghai Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, which brings together top researchers from China's leading universities and tech companies. The laboratory is focused on developing cutting-edge AI technologies, including natural language processing and computer vision. Now, let's take a closer look at the details surrounding Baidu's partnership with Anthropic. According to sources close to the matter, the collaboration between Baidu and Anthropic began in late 2021. Initially, it was kept under wraps, but in June 2022, Baidu announced its partnership with Anthropic in a press release. The statement highlighted the two companies' shared goal of developing more advanced AI systems. Details about the specifics of this partnership are scarce. However, experts believe that the collaboration is focused on advancing Baidu's deep learning capabilities through access to Anthropic's research and expertise. In return, Baidu may provide Anthropic with significant financial backing or resources for its own projects. Experts speculate that this partnership may be part of China's broader effort to develop its domestic AI industry. By collaborating with leading global companies like Anthropic, Chinese tech giants can gain valuable insights into the latest developments in AI research and technology. The implications of this partnership are far-reaching, raising questions about data security, intellectual property, and the potential for technological spillover between countries. According to experts familiar with the matter, Anthropic's research expertise could prove invaluable to Baidu in its quest to develop more advanced AI systems. By working together, the two companies may be able to create novel applications for deep learning technology or pioneer new approaches to computer vision and natural language processing. However, some worry that China might use this partnership as a means of acquiring sensitive technologies. In 2020, Google blocked its researchers from collaborating with Chinese universities over concerns about intellectual property theft. The Baidu-Anthropic partnership has also sparked debate among experts about the ethics of AI development in general. Some argue that developing more advanced AI systems without proper safeguards can lead to unforeseen consequences, such as bias or even job displacement. Let's take a closer look at some of the key players involved in this partnership. Baidu is one of China's largest tech companies, with a market capitalization of over $50 billion. Its AI research lab has been responsible for several major breakthroughs in recent years, including AlphaGo and its more recent counterpart, AlphaFold. Anthropic, on the other hand, is a relatively new player in the world of AI research. Founded by Dario Amodei and Luangrath, the company aims to create more transparent and explainable AI systems. Despite its focus on transparency, Anthropic has been criticized for collaborating with companies like Baidu that have raised concerns about data security and intellectual property. Other key players involved in this partnership include China's Ministry of Science and Technology and the Shanghai Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. These organizations are closely tied to the development of China's AI industry, which aims to become a global leader by 2030. The impact of the Baidu-Anthropic partnership on China's broader AI landscape cannot be overstated. This collaboration marks a significant shift in the country's approach to AI development, with a greater emphasis on international partnerships and collaborations. Experts argue that this partnership will lead to accelerated innovation in the field of deep learning, enabling Chinese companies like Baidu to leapfrog more established competitors. By accessing Anthropic's research expertise and resources, Baidu may be able to develop cutting-edge AI technologies at a faster pace than its global peers. However, others are concerned about the potential risks associated with this partnership. As we've seen with other collaborations between Chinese tech companies and foreign partners, there is always a risk of intellectual property theft or data security breaches. As we look to the future, one thing becomes clear: the partnership between Baidu and Anthropic marks just the beginning of China's push into global AI research. With ambitious goals set by Chinese President Xi Jinping to become a world leader in AI development by 2030, it's likely that we'll see more collaborations like this in the years ahead. In fact, some experts predict that China will become an increasingly significant player in global AI development, rivaling the US and other established powers. As we explore new frontiers in machine learning and deep learning, it's clear that partnerships between companies like Baidu and Anthropic will play a crucial role in shaping the future of this technology. As we bring this story to a close, one thing becomes evident: the implications of the Baidu-Anthropic partnership extend far beyond the world of AI research itself. This collaboration has sparked important questions about data security, intellectual property, and the potential risks associated with advanced machine learning technologies. In conclusion, the surprise partnership between Baidu and Anthropic is just a small part of China's broader ambitions in the field of artificial intelligence. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do, it's essential that we consider the complexities of this technology and its far-reaching implications for individuals, businesses, and governments alike. The future of AI will undoubtedly be shaped by partnerships like this one, and it's crucial that we stay vigilant as these technologies evolve. With great power comes great responsibility. Let's use this knowledge to build a brighter future for all.